go to court for your public indecency?
What public indecency? I've never got a ticket for nothing. You've never told me
I wrote you a ticket.
Man, you did not write me a ticket. Stop lying.
Yes, he did.
No, he did not.
Right there at Roscoe's. You had your pants down around your knees? Waving your butt around?
I forgot about that.
Oh, you did? Okay.
The star of today's video is a woman named Jasmine Rogers, who frequently works as a prostitute on Sullivan Avenue on the City of Columbus's west side. On this particular day, the officers were looking for her because they knew she had a warrant for indecent exposure. So what you'll see today is the officers approaching Jasmine and placing her under arrest. She was also charged with drug paraphernalia on this day. For those of you who are curious, Jasmine has been arrested in Franklin County 26 times since 2009. The charges that she was arrested for on this day were dismissed, and she currently has charges pending for trespassing. And that ticket was issued on July the 20th, 2023.
It's Rogers. It's Rogers, come here, I need to talk to you.
I don't want to talk to nobody.
Ma'am, your warrant's for your arrest.
Oh, warrant for what?
You're under arrest.
Man, leave me alone, bro. I don't got a warrant.
Stop.
I haven't done anything
Stop.
wrong.
Put that stuff down.
Leave me
Put stuff
alone.
down. Put stuff down. You're under
Why do
arrest.
I got a warrant?
Hands
For
behind-
what?
I'll explain all that.
I haven't done anything.
Stand behind your back.
I ain't missed no court
Put your
date.
stuff down.
I haven't.
Put your stuff
There's
down.
no warrant for my arrest.
Put your stuff down.
You cannot arrest me. I haven't done anything.
Put your stuff. Drop. Here. Let's put this down.
Okay, let me put my stuff in my bag.
Jasmine, you're under arrest.
No.
Release your fingers. Release your fingers.
You can't arrest me. I haven't even been no court or nothing. I don't have no warrant for my arrest.
Put this down.
Okay, let me put my stuff in my bag.
Jasmine, you're under arrest.
Get a hold of her, Hawkins.
What are you?
Release your fingers.
You can't arrest me. I haven't even missed no court or nothing. I don't have no warrant for my arrest.
Okay. I'm going to stand you up.
No,
okay?
I don't.
You okay?
You can't arrest me. I ain't do anything
Sit
wrong.
up. Sit up for me. Sit up. Okay.
No,
Okay.
they can't. I ain't did nothing. You got
Straighten
the
that
wrong
leg out.
person.
I'm gonna stand you up, okay? Ready? Here we go. Stand up. Stand up.
You can't arrest me, bro.
Okay. Spread your
I
feet.
don't have a warrant.
Spread your feet. You have anything on you I need to know about?
I don't have a
Okay.
warrant.
I'm just checking your immediate area. Make sure you don't have anything on you. Okay. Have any guns, knives, anything like that on you? Yes, sir. We've made contact with the suspect in the area for female officers to conduct a search.
You go to court for your public indecency?
What public indecency? I've never got a ticket
Okay.
for nothing. You've never told me
I wrote you a
Man,
ticket.
you did not write me a ticket. Stop lying.
Yes, he did.
No, he did not.
Right there at Roscoe's. You had your pants down around your knees? Waving your
Oh,
butt
I
around?
forgot about that.
Oh, you did? Okay.
One night when we made contact, suspect in custody.
Do you want to?
Let's go verify the warrant. Okay. Gather the property. Okay, stay right here. Stay right here. Don't move.
Sound like suspect. I'll be right out.
So over here.
Where?
Walk over here.
Sit down, hurt me.
Let's go over this cruiser over here. Okay. 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 Go ahead and step in. Watch your head. 191.
Yeah, that will last 2 hours.
191.
We're going to be code 3 at Eureka and Sullivan. Can we get a female officer for a 2/3 systematic?
Let me ask you, Hawkins, did you use any force there, or did she just fall to the ground on her own?
She fell to the ground, but I kind of had to use some force to get her arms back.
Well, but you didn't put her on the ground, right? She just went down there.
I want to say yes.
No, I think that's correct.
I think that's correct, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I just
sir.
wanted to make sure we were on. Pat said that he felt like she just crumpled on her own weight and just went down there. So, yeah, I think we're good.
Making sure I'm...
So, I just wanted to make sure we were all in agreement.
Yes, sir. Okay, Mr. Rogers, I need you to step out, please. This way.
You guys want to start like Yes, ma'am. Can I get a 23 to headquarters, please?
Okay, I don't pinch my titties.
Try not to move, okay? Try not to move,
You
okay?
need to get your fucking hands off of me. For real.
No, it's officer
Yes,
safety.
you need
No,
to get your hands off of me.
not right now.
Yes, right now.
Okay, stay still. Spread your feet. Spread your feet for me, please. Try not to move around, okay? We'll be done soon.
You need to fucking, for real. You need to back the fuck up. Okay, there's nothing there.
We're almost
Stop
done,
fucking
okay?
touching me.
Don't move. Don't move around, okay?
Shut up, bro! The fuck? Stop!
Don't move around, okay?
Well,
Stay
I'm
still.
fucking
Stay
touching my
still.
pussy, bitch!
Stay still.
Get the fuck off of me!
Don't.
I'm not playing with you. Get your hands off of me.
Okay, this is how we gotta do things, okay?
Nigga, get your motherfucking ass off of me. I'm not playing with you, bro.
Okay. Stay still.
Get the
Stay
fuck
still.
off of me.
Good? Alright, we're gonna go back to this car back here. This car back here.
Fuck. Hell no. The fuck would I wish I'm infected for?
Face the car for me, right here. Face it right here. I'll check the car for you. Alright, we're busting in. Scoot over for me, please. Lighter. Lottery ticket.
Okay, we're not going to open it.
No? Okay. Alright. Got it. Okay. 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 Alright. That's my real trouble.
No, we're not going to open it. Well,
This is all PSL trash. Got a needle down here. There's a needle. Yes, sir. I dropped it.
All of that was
This.
in the black outer coat
Black outer coat.
on the, not the pocket, but on the inside of the jacket where like the pocket comes together. You know what I'm talking about?
Like the liner.
Yeah, so like you open up, you put your hands in the pocket, you open the coat up, and and then there's the pocket on the inside.
The
It's not
inside
really
pocket.
a pocket. It's not really a pocket, but it's like the pocket.
I get what you're saying.
The needle and one of the lighters was on this side, and the glass pipe was on this side. With the cigarettes.
So pipe
And
was on the
there
right.
was foil in both.
Okay.
And then there was burnt foil in pants pocket on the right side.
Okay.
2 by 4. I have a 23 to make, so I'm going to mark on this for just like a little minute.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I appreciate it. Okay. This is found on the left side. This is found on the right side, inside the coat pocket. So this right here, we would take to the property. And just document what we found, where we found it.
Are you gonna charge her with it?
We have enough here to charge the paraphernalia. Let's write it.
100% have enough.
Let's write it up. Write it up. Write the charge.
I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
The drug paraphernalia is unsafe with for another day.
So we're not doing the syringe, just the pipes?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we.
This is not going to be included in the charges.
No, but it's still going to be on the property.
Got it. Alright. Everything else is found on the right side. The money I will put with her property.
Like it.
Lighter. Throw it away. Alright. I'm up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's roll.
Alright. Let's do all this in the back.